Welcome to Sant Tukaram National School, Latur. Class 2nd, subject maths, chapter number 1, that is shapes. I am Kiran Jagtap. Dear students, in the last class, we have learned the types of lines and the types of straight lines. Now, we will learn the second type of line, that is curved line. Let us learn about the curved lines. What are curved lines? Here, the answer is lines that are not straight are called curved lines. Some curved lines are shown below here. These are the example of curved lines. Some examples are here. In the picture of the moon, we can see the bright part of it is in curved shape. When the moon is in the given bright shape is called the crescent moon. Some examples of curved line again here. This is the picture of an umbrella. We can see the upper part of it is in curved shape. So these are the examples of curved line. Now just we have learned two types of lines. They are straight line and curved line. A straight line or a curved line are called one-dimensional figure. Here some lines are shown that are straight, some are curved, some are horizontally, some are vertically lines. Here the lines are shown in a single line. It has two endpoints, starting points and a ending point. These points indicates that it is the one-dimensional figure. In the last class, we have learned the curved lines. Some examples of curved lines. Dear students, now we will learn about the figures which are formed from the lines that are straight lines as well as curved lines. We can draw figures using straight lines and horizontal lines or curved lines. Here we can draw figures using straight lines and horizontal lines or curved lines that are open figure and closed figure. These are the two types of figures which we can draw by using the lines. Let us learn more about these figures. What are open figures? Here the answer is figures which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. Some pictures are shown here of open figure. The starting point and the ending point is different. Some examples of open figures are skipping rope. In our day-to-day life, we can see these things around us. The skipping rope is the best example of open figure. And the second one is jalebi. It is also the best example of open figure. Start from one point and end to the another point. So these are the best example of open figure. Now let us see the closed figure. What are closed figure? Figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figure. For example, here some pictures are shown and we can also see some examples that are the sheet of paper. It closed from all the sides. Here the ID card which we can see, this is also the closed from all the sides. These are the best example of closed figure we can see in our surroundings. Some examples of closed figures we can see in our day-to-day life, that is the dish or we can say the plate. It is in the circle shape, it is closed. So this is the example of closed figure. The second one is television. We can draw closed figure on a sheet of paper. The closed figure also known as two-dimensional figures. What are two-dimensional figures here? The figures have both height and width. So they are called two-dimensional figures, or we can say 2D figures in the short form, or we can also say 2D shapes. Before this, in the first video, we have seen about the one-dimensional figure. Now in this video, we have learned the two-dimensional figures. For example, square, circle, triangle and rectangle are the closed figure. Here I have shown the pictures of the closed figure, that is square, that are square, circle, triangle and rectangle. Dear students, today we have learned about one-dimensional figures and two-dimensional figures, closed figures and open figures. Some examples of closed and open figures. Thank you.